Hello there. In our project, we have created a simple website which allows us to donate books to the libraries that are registered through this website. So, just to give you a quick demonstration of this website, I'll just click on this link, the register box over here, and I'll just add my name to it, Abhinav Sinha, and username, let's say it's Zivo, and email is, and I'll just set a password as well. And since I'm just a simple user, I will choose the account type as user, and then I'll submit it. And let's try to log in. And so here's the basic user interface for a simple user. It does not have any books right now because we have not created any library yet. In the find books section, we have the list of all the available books in various libraries, and in the donate a book section, we can choose a library that we want to donate a book to. Then we can go to my donations, where we will have a list of all the pending or maybe all the fulfilled donations that we have made. And then here's the user profile, which includes all my details, which I guess we will be able to edit in future as well. So I'll just create a library now. Let's say library x libx and libx @domain dot libx. It's just a demo, so let's set the password and set it as a library, and the username it's libx, and I'll just enter the password. And here's the user interface for a library account. It says the account type is library, and the bookshelf, it includes all the donated books that we have in our library, and we can simply add a new book by adding a book name to it and the author name to it, and then the donor, publisher, and the year, let's say it's 2021, and then let's submit it. So it adds a book to our bookshelf, and if we just simply, or maybe I'll just create a new private window, dashboard, and I'll just log in as my user account, and it shows a book which was not visible earlier. Since we have just created a book through our library libx, it is the username of the library. Further, we have a donate a book option where we can simply add these specific details and donate a book to a specific library. Now this request needs to be confirmed by the library as well, because if they do not receive the book after a long time, then they may decide to cancel it as well. So let's say the book name is book 4 because I've added book 2 and 3 while the recording, and it's the author 4, and it's the publisher 4, and let's say the year is 2019 this time. Let's submit it, and the status shows pending for all the 3 books that we have added, and we can also cancel it if we feel like doing so for whatever reason. And let's just go to the panel, and let's see the user donations received by this specific library, which is our library X. Okay, so in the bookshelf we still have only one book because we need to confirm these donations as well, and the acceptance and rejectance feature has not been added yet, but we will shortly add it in the future commits. And that's basically it for our project, and we would like to thank you so much for providing us this opportunity. See you later.